Welcome to Gwaan Dancehall with Lex, getting the best of the best in the real. As we all know, Spice is known for using social media to her advantage for promoting new music and products that she has. She posted this picture on Instagram with no caption, which states March 8th. Now I wonder what Spice has in store for us this time. Kranium and Alkaine come out with a new song called Just for the Style, which was released a couple days ago. Here's a clip of that.
Can't come near me. The other day she tell her she with her friends. Y'all spread out in the front of the Benz and she a ball and I tell me your business. Although me know me no business. Watch out no man, now I think just different. I me never yet spread a damn cent. Hey, how the style a beat her bad. Make your girl come on me yard. She spread out in the Benz, me swear she never. Oh God, how the style a beat her bad. Make your girl come on me yard. She spread out in the Benz, me swear she never.
As we all know, Soca season is in full effect right now. Soca artist Mr. Killa has won this year's Soca Monarch of 2019. Koffee will be releasing her EP Rapture on March 14th. As we know, Koffee has been blazing up the airways with her song Toast. And let's not forget her other previous songs, which are Ragamuffin and Burning. News publication The Jamaican Star is once again in hot water with false accusations against artist Taneka, who is the mentee of Spice, has blasted the Star on their false accusations. She stated that they took words that she said and chopped it up in order to make headlines for their public. You can see in this post here how Taneka continued to air out and put out the truth of the Jamaican Star article. Bounty Killa has posted greatness on his Instagram once again by posting the Dancehall Trinity, which includes Buju, Banton, Beenie and himself. But that is it for Gwaan Dancehall. Tune in next week for more dancehall entertainment.